How are we gonna green flag this thing? Oh, over there, I guess. Hey, stop hitting me! Okay, let's go! Let's go, Dave. Let's go! Okay. Alright, so, back at Boss Pro Karting. Or as I like to call it, the most magical place on Earth. I think I'm getting a phone call inside my helmet somehow. Oh, yeah, of course, yeah, no. I get it. Yeah, sure, thanks for telling me. No problem. So I've been sued by Disney for that catchphrase. So make sure you like and subscribe because I am going to need all the help I can get in fighting Disney's lawyers, I'll tell you what. Okay, so we got a unique little course. Pretty neat. I like it so far. We did a reverse previously for warm-up. We have not done this in regular. We have 2 Joker laps, which by this point I will have already put the explanation for what they are on the screen. It's a nice little shortcut that we can take. My favorite style of racing, because when you come to these, basically most of the indoor tracks I've been to, not all of them, they do tend to have like tight layouts, and it's a good way to, give some passing opportunities and some extra strategy for the race. All right, I should probably pay attention to what I am doing. Just kind of been talking and kind of driving like trash, I think. Oh, I wish I could see the time on the lap board so I knew how well I was doing compared to everybody else. Ugh. Shaking during that corner. Too much speed, I guess. I feel like I'm braking too much there. Everything's going wrong. Okay. I think Dave took his second one already. Ideally, I would like to save mine until the final 2. As always, my strategy with Joker laps is, do I have open space? Because the most important thing that you have in these races is open space. If you're battling, it is going to slow you down. So, as I just smash that thing and slow me down. Oh, as I hit that, and oh my goodness, everything is falling apart. Can't let you get in front of me, bud, sorry. I saw you coming from that Joker lap, though. Alright, we're gonna take one soon, probably. Alright, we'll take one, I think we gotta take one this time. We probably gotta get ahead of these guys. Let's try to get a good... Oh no! This is a disaster. Oh, good. I'm glad I took it because I did not realize there were 2 laps left. Oh man, bud. Alright. Where are we starting this at? Oh, in there? Okay. Oh, we're going now. Okay. Oh boy. Alright, okay, we survived second. Oh, you better. Yep, okay. Alright. Good. Okay, we can't take Joker on the first lap. Can we make the fun pass? Yeah, sort of. Oh. Yes, we did it. We made the pass. We made the pass. Oh. Oh boy, people, traffic. Okay, good. Oh boy, this car is feeling a little funky. It's okay. When do I take these jokes? I actually should probably take them I should take one immediately so that I can stay in the lead. So I don't have to deal. Yeah. We gotta take one immediately. In fact, we may take both immediately. Yeah, we're gonna take both immediately. So Dennis can't bully me out of the way. Okay, all of our jokers are gone. Oh, this thing's... I gotta brake harder, I guess. Its brakes don't seem to be reacting super well. Oh. What the heck? Did I catch? Wait, what? Oh no! Are you lap traffic that took a joker in front of me? I don't know. Oh no. What are you? Oh, okay, thanks. You didn't have to do that, bud. It's okay. You didn't have to do that. It's fine. It's a race. You deserve that position too. I think you are lap traffic, though. I think you are lapped. Because I feel like, I mean, you're quick, but I'm not sure you're start last and get in front of me quick when I start at second. That is no detriment to your skill. Gonna be interesting to see. Dennis seemed pretty quick, and I am like, my cart doesn't feel like amazing. So it'll be Dennis might be able to catch me, to be honest. Really uncertain. What's going on there? All right, let's see if somebody's got a joker that'll beat me. I think that guy's taking too many jokers. I think that's what's happening. I think he's taking too many. It's definitely the third one that I've seen. All right, good job. Oh boy. Feature race time, boys. Let's go. Oh, we're starting out there. Right. I forgot. We did that at the previous race. I immediately forgot. Okay, good. Starting on pole. 15 laps, 3 jokers. We have a very small field. So I am going to, oh god, there goes my seat. Great. I am going to take my jokers after the first lap. I'm going to take at least 2 of them. Okay, let's try to pull up. Okay, good. Yeah, we're taking 1 now, for sure. And then we're going to take the second one immediately. Because I don't expect to lap anybody in this race. So we are just going to get it out of the way. My hesitation with taking these things in other like races where we have more people is like if you take them early, you run the risk of hitting traffic. And then like if you have already used them, then you have to pass people cleanly. Which can definitely slow you down in this kind of environment. But I don't expect to lap anybody here. We only have 5 people since we split. We had some new people show up. It came a little late, so now we have 10 people for challenge night. So they split us into 2 5s instead. Because it's really early in the night, so we have time to do all these races, which is fantastic. Previous times we've had like, what's the previous like 3 challenge nights? We've had 20 or close to 20. So like, really not a lot of time to finish challenge night before the place closes. So we're really packing it in for those kind of nights. But we're a little more free time-wise this time. So let's hope for the best. I mean, I can certainly lose. Like, I think on this course, everyone's going to have a lot of free space. So, previous strategies of, like, you know, people getting bunched up and stuff like that isn't going to be as big of a deal. Where is everyone? Man, this car feels great. This car feels way good. This car feels very good. So let's see. Anyways, the strategy for this one, we come around fast, hard brake, trail brake, let off the brakes as we enter the corner, slide it around there, hard brake, trail brake, slight lift before we get on the gas, late apex, boom, hit that. That's what I'm talking about. Still have 1 joker left. Oh, I did not do that one correctly. Uh-oh. Oh, there's Dave. How many laps we got left? I have not been counting. In fact, I could probably just take my last one anytime now. Yeah, I can just take it. But I think I'm gonna wait a couple. Maybe give people let people think that they have a chance. They can take theirs, hoping they might get in front of me. Oh, here comes the white flag. There it comes. All right, last joker. Yeah, this is a comfortable win, boys. comfy win. We're in our sweatpants. We're in our hoodie on the couch. We are chilling. We are comfy. Good race, guys. Good race.